Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily flip and rotate a video in CapCut. So here I've already opened my CapCut apps and this is the video that I want to flip and also rotate. So just click on the video here on the timeline and find this menu, transform. Under the transform, there are rotate, mirror, and resize. So if you want to rotate, of course, you can just click on the rotate button and your video will be rotating just like this. And if you want to flip your videos, you can use this mirror options. And just like that, your videos will be flipped. So that's a pretty simple tutorial from me, but I hope this will be helpful. So don't forget to click on the thanks, like this video, comment if you have any question, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.